What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over Fantom. Currently, we're sitting at $1.73. We're up about 2.15 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 4.34 billion. 24-hour volume 1.16 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives depending on the level card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So a little bit of news here. DeFi tokens show bullish signs. So we're going to scroll down here to our friend Fantom. So FTM price is expected to rally to at least $1.90 after respecting support at $1.25 as per analyst Puppy. Same view on FTM here, which is showing a heavy bounce from support. Expect tests to happen at 190 and possibly 225, and then we'll have to see. So I can tell you that, guys, but I think it's important to not always listen to the young guy from Canada and also see what other people are saying here. So you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we came down to this strong level of support. And we saw a beautiful bounce right at about $1.34. We reached our technical target from this descending triangle. So I'm going to take this out here. And we're creating an absolutely beautiful inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder. We have our head. And we have our right shoulder. So we can drop in our neckline. And take it to our point of breakout. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're doing something exciting today. I'm here in Portland, Oregon, and it's absolutely pouring rain outside. Maybe I could show you guys real quick. You want a view of the outdoor microphone? Oh, this probably is a terrible view, but sorry, my camera's on like a bit of a heavier tripod. So, anyways. Not important. So your breakout target, if this were to play out, is all the way up at 242. However, guys, you're going to run into major resistance at the previous support of our descending triangle, which is coming right in about that, which is coming in right around that $1.90, which Mr. Puppy was talking about in that little article there. So we'll jump over to the next. Oh, let's look at the hourly as well, see what we can see. Yeah, so we're back towards overbought. And that is usually when you do see a rejection and it move back down, or in the bullish case, you just see some consolidation and continuation. So if we do come back down, we have this level of support coming in about $1.58 for FTM. So we'll pop open to our next chart, which is here on the daily, guys. You can see we wicked right down to $1.30. Strong support here, support in this area as well. But we are underneath the EMAs. We came down towards the bottom section on the RSI, on the money flow, which is the early indicator you are going to see a push back to the upside. We're almost having the bullish cross on the daily, which would be a good signal as well. But however, guys, we do have this massive double top pattern for FTM. This big, huge M pattern. So it is bullish that we bounced right off that level of support, because if we do break down from this pattern, guys, which of course is still a possibility, could take FTM all the way down to the golden ratio at 47 cents, the golden ratio. So do keep an eye on that, guys. The $1.30 has to hold, or we are in a technical target to the downside of 49 cents. Now, I have been looking at FTM on the weekly and been mentioning to you guys, it does look like we're starting to roll here. We have bearish divergences on the RSI, on the money flow, as well as a double top, which is a bearish pattern. So $1.30 is our most important level of support. It has to hold if we are going to see any type of continuation to the upside and come up and break these highs, because as of right now, we have bearish divergences and it looks like we're starting to roll here. But to invalidate that, all we have to do is come out and take this high, and we can head up to the 2 extension at $6 for FTM. So just a quick little update here, guys. I will show you guys our dollar cost average strategy, and we'll show where our break even is at, because we just hit a buy zone. So I'm going to open it up for you guys. So far we've hit 5 of our buy zones, which has brought down our break even. Let me just quickly open this up. Brought down our break even to about $2.02. So currently, from the current price, we're only down here about 15%. So if we can break out of this inverse head and shoulders, we can come up and break our break even and take profits on our trade. Equal amounts at each buy zone as a spot trader brings your average price down halfway each time. So 500, 500, 500, 500. And if you're low leverage trading, don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. You do have to double your margin. And then your second entry, 500, then you have to double 1,000, 2,000, and then it would go all the way up to 4,000. So it does add up if you're low leverage trading, but your average price does come down more than halfway. All right, guys. basically what we're doing is we're bringing down our average price and we're getting ready to ride the slingshot back up. So that is it for FTM. Shout out to the Discord guys, over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, as well as the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and buy and take profit zones if you're looking for entries, exits, you're looking to dollar cost average into your positions based off support, resistance, Fibonacci levels, price of a coffee, 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.